In this video, we will learn how to enable dark mode in Excel. You can apply dark mode to the Excel interface, menus and ribbons, and also create a dark-looking worksheet. First, go to File, Options. Here you will see the Office Theme option. Change it to black and click OK. Now the Excel bars and menus will turn dark, but the worksheet will still remain white. To make the worksheet dark as well, go to the Page Layout tab and click Background. Here you can import a black image as the background. There are 3 options to insert an image. We will use Bing Image Search. Search for black. Select a black image and insert it. The black background will be applied to the worksheet. Now, when you type, the text may not be visible because the default font color in Excel is black. To fix this, click the top left corner of the sheet to select all cells. Then go to the Home tab and change the font color to white. To undo everything, go back to the Page Layout tab and click Delete Background. This will remove the black worksheet background. Then go to File, Options, and change the Office theme from black to colorful, and click OK. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.